Chapter 10, The Cube of Love. How to play with the cube? 7 simple rules to shape your reality. Instructions on how to use uCube. The Cube of Love is based on the works of Robert Sternberg. Now, let's see that how you can play with the uCube. We will use the theory of love to show you how to use uCube to improve your love life. Liking, intimacy, romantic love, passion and intimacy. Compassionate, passion and commitment. Infatuation, passion. Fatuous love, passion and commitment. Empty love, commitment. There are 7 simple rules to manipulate uCube. Follow them closely and reveal the essence of everything that surrounds you and hidden codes that unify it all. In order to explain and illustrate these conversations, we will use something that is understandable to all humans. That is love. Love, as described by Robert Sternberg, will be the vehicle to make you understand how uCube works and how it can change the way you perceive and manipulate the space around you. To get better understanding, let's see the following theory. Sternberg's triangular theory of love. According to Sternberg's triangular theory of love, this theory characterizes love within the context of interpersonal relationships by 3 different components. Passion, which encompasses drive that lead to romance, physical attraction, and sexual consummation. Intimacy, which encompasses feelings of closeness, connectedness, and bondedness. Commitment, which encompasses, in the short term, the decision to remain with another, and in the long term, the shared achievements and plans made with that other. Sternberg's love paradigms. The 3 components interact with each other, and with the actions they produce, so they can form 7 different kinds of love experiences. The 8 types of love according to Sternberg. Liking, intimacy. Romantic love, passion and intimacy. Infatuation, passion. Consummate love, passion, intimacy, commitment. Compassionate, intimacy, commitment. Fatuous love, passion, commitment. Empty love, commitment. 1. Non-love. It is the absence of all 3 of Sternberg's components of love. 2. Liking, friendship. In this, a person feels a boundedness, a warmth, and a closeness with another person, but not intense passion or long-term commitment. 3. Infatuated love. It is pure and passionate. Romantic relationships often start out as an infatuated love and become romantic love as intimacy develops over time. Without developing intimacy or commitment, infatuated love may disappear suddenly. 4. Empty love. It is described as commitment without intimacy or passion. Sometimes, a stronger love deteriorates into empty love. 5. Romantic love. It is the bond between 2 individuals, emotionally through intimacy and physically through passionate arousal. 6. Compassionate love. It is intimate, non-passionate type of love that is stronger than friendship. It is often found in marriages, in which the passion has gone out of the relationship, but a deep affection and commitment remain. 7. Fatuous love. In fatuous love, the commitment is motivated largely by passion without the stabilizing influence of intimacy. 8. Consummate love. This is the kind of love that is a complete form of love, which includes passion, intimacy, and commitment. Let's now uCube to analyze and learn how the model works and how it can reveal the essence of all that surrounds you, including love. Rule number 1. First of all, choose the subject you wish to analyze. As stated throughout this work, uCube is a universal tool that applies to all human endeavors and activities, deeds and conducts. It is the dynamic unity of reality and can be applied to anything. For the purpose of illustrating how uCube works, we have chosen to analyze man's most sublime feeling, which is love. We have done so by using the model of Robert Sternberg. Rule number 2. Define your variables or essences. uCube gives you the freedom to choose your 3 variables. Remember, one has to be of material essence, one of rational, and one of intentional. Rules, games, results. Independent, dependent, governing, resulting. XYZ. Robert Sternberg defines 3 components of love: passion, intimacy, and commitment. We agree, passion is the material essence, linked to the body, the rules. It is our independent variable. Intimacy is the intellectual essence, linked to the mind. It's the game, it's our dependent variable. Commitment is the moral essence. It is the motive. It's linked to the spirit and is the governing and resulting variable. Rule number 3. Place each variable in the correct axis. Always place the rules on the x-axis, the game on the y-axis, and the intention on the z-axis. The basic rule of love is passion. Passion is the sine qua non of love. Passion is to love what law is to society, or the body to humans. Romance, physical attraction, and sexual consummation thrive in the realm of passion. Intimacy is the game of love. Closeness, boundedness, connectedness, intimate communication, and trust are the rational aspects of love. Disclosing thoughts, feelings, and emotions in order to reach understandings are all in the realm of intimacy. Intimacy is the reasoning of love. The motive of love is the depth. Love gains depth only when there is commitment. It is the soul of love, the decision to remain with another, the common plans and achievements, forming family and a home, and transcend into new generations are all in the realm of commitment. Tridimensional love. Sternberg's triangular theory of love is in fact a tridimensional theory of love. It is better portrayed by uCube. In other words, without knowing it, Sternberg created the cube of love. We will borrow Sternberg's triangular theory of love to explain the methodology of uCube and, in the process, enhance Sternberg's work, uniting it dynamically with reality. uCube will enrich Sternberg's theory by adding metaphysics to love. Rule number 4. Define the yang and yin of each variable. Yang and yin have to be both opposite and complementary. One has to contain the other and vice versa. In other words, you need to define the 0 and 1 of each axis to convert the variables into dimensions. In addition to that, we will also borrow Freud's death and libido for the extremes of passion, x-axis. The yang and yin of passion. 0 is death, 1 is libido. Understanding and incomprehension are the yang and yin of the game of love, which is intimacy, y-axis. 0 is incomprehension, 1 is understanding. Finally, loyalty and treason are the yang and yin of commitment. The motive of love, z-axis. 0 is treason, 1 is loyalty. As a result, we can now build the cube of love and proceed to the next step. Cube of love. Order 111. Consumed love, libido, loyalty, and understanding. Understanding, game, intimacy. Incomprehension, death. Rule, passion. Libido, treason. Depth, commitment, loyalty. Chaos, 000, no love, death, incomprehension, and treason. Rule number 5. Calculate the chaos and order, as well as the other 6 paradigms. Paradigms of love. 011, compassionate love. 111, consummated love. 110, romantic love. Intimacy. 001, empty love. 000, non-love. Passion. 1000, infatuated love. Commitment. 101, fatuous love. Love paradigms and scenario construction. Love scenarios. 0, non-love, lacks everything. 1, infatuated love, lacks intimacy and commitment. 2, liking friendship, lacks passion and commitment. 3, romantic love, lacks commitment. 4, empty love, lacks passion and intimacy. 5, fatuous love, lacks intimacy. 6, compassionate love, lacks passion. 7, consummate love has everything. Rule number 6. Feed numbers or actual data into the cube. This is where the real thrill begins. With all sincerity and serenity, grade each odd the essences on a scale from 0 to 10. Ask questions. For example, how passionate is your relationship? How many times a week you make love? How much understanding you have with your partner? How much intimacy is shared among both of you? How loyal have you been to your spouse? And how much trust and confidence exists between both of you? Your significant other has to answer the same questions, and then you both need to compare your answers. Are you prepared to face the answers of your couple? Rule number 7. Once you've answered all those questions in all honesty, place yourself or your marriage inside the cube and see which of the 8 paradigms describes better your relationship. Have you consummated to love? And if not, so what aspects you need to work in order to approach order and approach the ideal love, which is full of passion, intimacy, and commitment? Do you and your partner need to communicate more? Have you ever betrayed your partner or tried to be unfaithful? Do you kissed, hugged, and made love passionately, as if it was your last time? What do the answers of your couple say about you, and what do yours say about her? Rule number 8. Draw your own conclusions. Now you have the power to change your life, and uCube is the tool that allows you to place your reality in your space and analyze how you play your love games. How much you follow or break the rules in a relationship. How good you play your relationship game. What are your real intentions? What benefits you want and what costs you are willing to pay. Are you a winner or a loser? Have you achieved your goals or failed to achieve them? Are your costs greater than your rewards? Are you closer or further from the paradigm you want to achieve? Summary and conclusion. This is the humble simplicity of uCube. I dare you to use it and prove it wrong. This is the dynamic unity of reality, the metaphysic humanity has been searching for ages. Man or woman, Muslim or Jew, rich or poor, black or white, we live in a tri-dimensional world, and tri-dimensional we are. This cube is just a model, a map to guide you and help you shape your reality. It is my gift to you. I hope you use it, enjoy it, and make a difference in the most important thing you have, your life.